see, a few months later it turned like that, and this is probably gonna put some, oh, just one day I'll put this in the other pot like that with this one. I put it a little one. Enjoy, guys. I had a lot of them this, but since I was so busy and I neglected it with the rain and sunshine, I think I lost them. But some of them I scattered in the ground, and they got a baby. This is a babies, so must be here. So I'll propagate more. And nice and cute, the one, I like them. So I come, probably I put more the little one, but they'll turn into like 3. This one day. So I leave this one here. So I got 1, 2, 3, and one here. Get some more. So we have here. Now it's too hot, that is why it burned. And I put some of that here. So should propagate more. Some of this. This one is okay. Get more babies, more suckers. I had this long time ago, but I give it to family. Like 2 or 3 baskets. It's really healthy plants. Now I have to restart it again. Lol. This is very small. Okay. Nice like that because they grow really fast. I mean, not so fast, but it is. It is. Oh. So they like shady and really hot weather. Also plants, but they don't mind hot as long as give them water, you know. See, this one I didn't, so it's really, probably it was heat wave, so it's okay. Finished here. Voila guys, the rest I put this in the other pot like this. I'll put some decor here soon.